What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get your Wise referral link. Also, if you guys want to sign up to Wise, you can use my referral link from the description below, through which you will also get 150 euros, dollars or pounds, or that value equivalent in your currency once you make at least 3 international transactions. And also, if you use that referral link, you will get $1,000 in transfers completely for free without any Wise fees associated. And now let's continue. So the process is the same if you're using Wise for desktop or your mobile app. So just go ahead and open up your Wise account. Now, once you opened up your account, you would simply need to go to the Earn tab right here that says Earn 150 euros. From there, the referral tab will load and you can get your link by simply clicking copy right here. And you can also see some additional information about the referral program. So that's guys how you can get your Wise referral link on Wise app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.